Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Husqvarna Z246 zero-turn lawnmower. At the end of the season last year, they said the belt that runs the blades in the deck kept on falling off. So before this lawnmower season, they wanted to get it checked out. So they brought it in. So we'll check out the deck and see why the belt keeps on falling off. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I'll go ahead and take this cover off here. I'll go ahead and jack it up. Okay, now we can look in there better now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wiggle the belt, make sure the pulleys on the blade quills ain't moving around. Make sure your idler pulleys aren't wobbling, the bearings ain't out of them. All the pulleys look good. Sometimes on the belt, maybe a cord or two inside the belt broke or something. So what I'm going to do next is take the belt off and inspect the belt. Because if you have a couple broken cords, it'll make a weak spot on the belt. So I'll do that next. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take off these guards. They're 3/8 or 10 millimeter. And we have them off. It's a good thing to clean all this junk that's in there. And we'll do the other side. You never know what you can find in these. It's a wrench. 1/2-inch wrench stuck in there. And on this idler pull here, would loosen it up so we can get this belt hanger guard off, so we can get that belt off there. Well, that thing's on there tight. There we go. Now we can inspect the belt here. And I found the problem right away. A burnt spot right here. That was nice and thick over here and over here. And that's probably why the belt keeps on falling off. They must have got something bound between one of the blades in the deck and burnt a spot in the belt. So I'm going to go to the back of the machine where the model number is and look up and see what size belt we need. So I'll be right back. Okay, I found the belt. It's a 122.5-inch belt. And it even shows you on the back how to put the belt on. That's kind of cool. And it shows the original OME number on the bottom. On these big, like the 46 and the 54-inch decks and everything, I highly recommend using a brand, the brand name belt. So you can buy them. You can buy belts on eBay or Amazon for probably half the price, but they just seems like they don't last for some reason. So it's better to spend a little bit extra money the first time, because the original belts, they last a lot longer. So we'll work this in here and get it on the PTO clutch. Go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. Okay. All right. Now we have it apart right there. We might as well grease the zerks up and everything. Make sure you wipe them off. Wipe this side off. Alright, now we got the grease gun out. There's some zerks on the front wheels. We'll go ahead and grease them. Then I'll put the covers back on the quills there and sharpen the blades, and I'm going to give that a try, and I'm pretty sure that belt's going to stay on this time. Alright, get them protective covers put on now. So I'm going to pop the blades off and sharpen them, make sure they're not bent. Then we'll go ahead and start it up and make sure that belt stays on. Okay, I ended up putting new blades on it because the blades are all bent up. Well, I'm pretty sure we fixed the problem with don't even vibrate or nothing, and they were complaining that the deck was vibrating, and that burn spot on the belt would prove that. Anyways, hope this video helped you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, guys, have a good afternoon.